We stayed at the free dock the night before we left on our journey up the St. Johns River. See, it's a beautiful day out here. We are coming up on the launch ramp over here on the right hand side. Fred's over there doing his pump out. They have a free pump out over here. I'm not sure about water. There's Fred. He's left the dock now, and we're starting to head up the St. Johns River. This video will be mostly cruising. In fact, it'll be all cruising because it's about all we did the first day. And once we got up into Jacksonville, there's really not much to do. They are working on town. They're rebuilding a bunch of the buildings. They're rebuilding a bunch of the docks so more people can go up there. I seen they were doing a lot of work on the stadium as we went by. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the video here. So, like I said, it's going to be all cruising. Goes through a lot of industrial. In fact, it's almost all industrial until we get past Jacksonville, and then we will get back into the backwoods of Florida. All right, guys, sit back, enjoy. Don't forget, give us a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you. We'll talk to you later.